Tonight you can call my phone. Tonight you can call me all night long. Tonight the represent.
Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're doing well. I'm doing wonderful, alhamdulillah. And if you're new, welcome. Anyways, what I have for you today guys is hot noodle challenge. I have two beautiful young ladies on my channel today and who's gonna join me inshallah soon. Unfortunately, I cannot be a part of the hot noodle challenge because I cannot eat spicy food. I mean, I can eat a spicy food to a certain extent, but unfortunately if I eat spicy food, something's gonna happen in my mouth. I'm gonna get a lot of anyways, I don't know how to explain this, but my tongue is gonna just break out. Guys, let's start the challenge. So I'm gonna actually start with my first question. Do you wanna taste the food first? So start with Bismillah. Inshallah, Allah will put barakah in it and it will cool down.
I don't wanna do this. Ska du smaka? Qamar, jag vill inte. Nej. Alltså, jag kan inte göra det här. På Gud, jag kan inte göra det här.
Bismillah. Start with Bismillah. The only person who's supposed to drink the milk is when they answer the question right. And by the way guys, I'm actually sitting behind the camera, so I'm gonna start with the first question and they're gonna say their names. If you know the question, if you know the answer, you're supposed to say your name. All right?
Okay, can we just get on with it?
The first question is, where was I born? You have to say your name. You have to say your name. You both know that. Do you know where I was born?
What she said.
Wait, that's my best friend, yo.
Wait, listen.
Okay.
I said Kenya, she said that.
Okay, it's Kenya. Okay.
I think
oh my God, come on. You one sip. But drink as much as I now. She drank the half of a cup, yo.
Oh my God, I can't do this.
By the way, guys, if you win this thing, I'm gonna give you a present.
Can I have money? I need money.
You need money. Well, we're all broke, so no problem.
Did you?
Well, I love your reaction. Okay, guys, the second question is, what is my biggest fear? Okay.
Scary movie.
That's not your biggest fear. Oh, it's dogs.
No.
Dogs.
Come on. I know.
Okay.
Come on.
You don't even know it.
Go ahead, guys. I'm waiting.
I can't drink.
Yaqeen.
Did you say shaitan? Well, I hate Iblis too, so no problem. But, no, it's animal, common insect. But we do actually have them here too. But they're more common.
Snake.
Can I fix my makeup?
Snake.
I am suffering without even eating it, Allahi. Bisink. Did you take 2 bites? But I thought
one.
Oh my God. Okay, the other question is,
Your name.
what is my favorite cereal? Two of them.
Yes. Vad heter det?
I know that.
Grace Economy or something.
I'm the doctor. Good doctors.
Grace Anatomy and what?
Good.
No, it's actually done. You know, I have watched it. Wait. I have to hear. What did you say?
The Vampire Diaries.
The Vampire Diaries and Grey's Anatomy. All right, go ahead.
She likes it. Great.
Okay, you
Grey's
get
Anatomy
points. Both of you get a point because you said Grey's Anatomy. She said
You're so
Vampire
easy
Diaries.
with the points.
Yeah, I know.
Qamar, jag har inte för en enda tår alltså.
Snälla på den ont.
Hela min mun gör ont.
English, please.
My lips hurt.
Yeah.
Everything hurts. Okay, last one. Is this the last question?
Yeah. No, I'm actually being kind. I have 2 questions, but go ahead, take this. Somali.
I get to drink for this?
Yeah, okay. She took her last bite. It's you only left. Did you see how much it took?
I got it in my eye.
Your eye? Yeah. Don't say that. Subhanallah, don't say that. You're scaring me. Okay, can I say my last question then?
Yes.
What is the most important thing in my life?
Qamar.
Yeah,
Qamar.
it's not that.
No.
I didn't say, okay, no. My mother is, of course, the most important person.
Okay,
in my life,
Yaqeen.
yes. Alright.
Dean.
Yes.
Who you get?
Nej,
Men
walla,
du sa
det-
bara för att hon sa
Nej,
det.
nej, walla, walla, det står skrivet. Din.
Du får skriva din.
Nej, 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 walla, jag skriver inte din. Här, you can see the question. How many siblings do I have?
Come on. Maybe we need to take a bite first.
No. You do want that? Alright, go
We
ahead.
didn't take one.
Okay, go ahead.
Jag vill se Qamar gråta.
She wants to see Qamar cry.
Kolla vad lite det är! Kolla vad lite det är.
Haram. Barakada dhan ka baxday. There's no bark in that milk now. Thank you guys. Yaqeen is crying as hell, but the other woman is like, guess it's an hour. So but anyways, thank you, and you're gonna see who won this, and if you actually deserve a ticket to the movies, or
Jag tror jag vann 100%.
but you didn't even know how many siblings I had.
You did when did you ask that? When did you ask that?
محمد إسحاق زكريا.
Yeah, which one? Do you have more?
No.
I
Name
know
them.
that.
Name my mother's name. What's my mother's name?
Hakimo. And I know your brother's son.
I know
his
your
name
father's
is,
name.
Okay,
Wait,
wait,
what's
hold on. And his daughter's name is Aisha.
And the other one?
And the wife
There's
is on.
another one.
Fatima.
The wife is Fatima, yeah? I hope that you enjoyed. If you like this kind of video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and comment what you think and share with us your thoughts. And inshallah, so with no more of me, I'm going to bring the beautiful ladies in and you're gonna